Since coronavirus has sort of robbed us all of our freedom, my plan is to redo the interior of the summer house in the garden, so I can quarantine alone in there and not put anyone else at risk. Because I'm a risk.
Ago, but I was way too busy taking finals and then trust and having to
nice to have this project to work on while all the chaos is happening in the rest of the world. Honestly, everything that's happening at the moment is like really scary and I don't really want to think about it too much. And I just miss like the option of being able to do stuff, and then whenever I think about the fact that I miss like the option of doing things, I'm like, well, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people in like a lot worse situations missing out on a lot more things, so I just kind of need to remember that. But anyway, back to the renovation project. I sprayed like 2 seats gold, and then I tried to spray paint the like desk that was in the summer house gold as well, like the legs. I used the rest of the contact paper that I used on the floor on the desk table, so it would match like the blacks and the golds and that kind of colour scheme that's going on. We're gonna have like dark wood theme. The progress is slow, but I think it's going and I'm enjoying most of it. But anyway, back to the renovation project.
Drinking gasoline like I'm gasping for it. There are holes in my wall that just appear there. I want to be a friend. Who cares when no one lives there? I call your bluff. What the pretend? Call me crazy on velvet. Already told you all the same. Breaks on something.
on my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spit that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosbys, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forget where I came from.